Good morning, this is Dhesi Market Memo. Today is about a sharp repricing in high beta, while FX and equities stay heavy. Three things from the board. First, crypto. Ether is down 8.9% since 8 a.m. London yesterday, and that matters because it's still the cleanest read on risk appetite at the high beta end. Second, FX. Aussie dollar is down 0.9% in the same window, and that matters because it often sits on the front line of global risk and China leakage. Third, commodities. Gold is down 3.8% on the day, and that matters because it's a reminder that the defensive bid can unwind quickly, especially when the macro narrative shifts. Now the glue. This looks like continuation, not a one-day wobble. The 10-day regime note still has Ether down at 26%. When you see that kind of drawdown, it tends to tighten financial conditions at the margin, even if spot FX moves look relatively small. Layer in the calendar, you have Michigan sentiment and inflation expectations, which are up next, and you also have a scheduled Jefferson speech. That is the mix that can move rate expectations and the dollar, even if you're not quoting rates today. Practical points if you're managing funding or hedges, especially into US data risk. Keep an eye on liquidity around Friday's Michigan release, and avoid leaving roll decisions to the last minute. If you have commodity input costs, revisit how much of your protection relies on safe haven assumptions. So, what to watch? Friday at 3 p.m. London, we have Michigan inflation expectations, as well as current conditions and consumer sentiment. Also on Friday at 5 p.m., you have Fed's Jefferson speech, followed by, at 6 p.m., Baker Hughes oil rig count. So, headline risk: Trump and trade decisions remain a live channel into tariffs and supply chains, which can bleed into FX and commodities. This is Dhesi Market Memo. If this saved you time, please do subscribe and comment on the one level you're watching today.